DJ Millan, you and your corrupted self need to go get your blood clot toys and go play with it. You need to go plug in your blood clot toys. Yes, you need to go play with your pussy. You need to go plug in your bumper ass clot rose and go play with your rose. What you mean Gaza nation need to unite? Unite with who? Unite for what? You did see when Bumba Clot 2 years ago, when Kartel forget Crown, King of Dancehall, all them look at dog shit here. Joshy and Bumba Clot Masicka disrespect the man. You did see it? What the f you mean by we need to unite? And we are fight Masicka. We are Masicka and a friend. We not fight Masicka. Masicka fight himself. We was the one that was supporting Masicka. And I'm going to show you that at Barclays Center. We are going to use Barclays Center to show you. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. So if you think that I'm ready, why y'all look for we and think that we can't make the show flop? We can't make the show flop. The show is just going to be flop. I know we are making flop. The artist is a flop artist. The fucking artist himself flop. You say when you see slip and slide, bitch, you never know say your pussy is going to slip and slide. You never know you're going to slip and slide. You never realize say Alkaline did a better job than him. And Alkaline too show them. After Barclays, you know, say you cancel them. So you headline Barclays Center with Masicka. What songs Masicka have? Where Brooklyn people
Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people in today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the Teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss, aka Brief Boss, aka I Show Brief. Also, we want to talk about dancehall artist Alkaline, the man himself, the vendetta boss. Also, we want to talk about dancehall artist Masicka, one side till a landslide. Also, we want to talk about Reggae Fresh promoter CJ Millan. Also, we want to talk about Gaza blogger one Kevin from over Fish Tank. So people, Vybz Kartel blogger one Kevin disrespect CJ Millan in the wickedest way. People, wanna see the video, wanna see how one Kevin a handle CJ Millan. CJ Millan will put on the big show them inna the Barclays. Vybz Kartel back to back. 3 show with Vybz Kartel. Show with Bounty Killer. Also Alkaline the vendetta boss inna the Barclays twice. A whole bunch of things CJ Millan a do for dancehall. Open up certain platform. Pause certain opportunity. Make sure say dancehall artists can go in a certain venue, in a certain arena. CJ Millan do that for dancehall. And we see Vybz Kartel ungrateful. We see Vybz Kartel fall out with CJ Millan and give him bloggers and him fan base the go ahead for disrespect CJ Millan in the wickedest way. Me don't tell you no say Vybz Kartel ungrateful. Vybz Kartel bad mind. Vybz Kartel no care about dancehall. Vybz Kartel only care what dancehall can do for him. Vybz Kartel no want see nobody else in a dancehall shine but him. Vybz Kartel a gatekeeper, and Jump Out TV production have the tea. We are going to show you how Vybz Kartel allow him blogger for disrespect CJ Millan. Jump Out TV production have the tea, and we have the sauce, barbecue, honey, mustard. Stay tuned for the tea. People make me know which part in Jamaica on the represent, which garrison, which ghetto, which parish. Happy belated Independence Day to all of my Jamaican subscribers and everybody else who represent from any other nationality or culture. Big up on yourself. Make me know which part in the Caribbean on the represent, which part in Canada, the United States, England, UK, Europe, Africa. Make Jump Out TV production know what to represent. Drop a flags and drop a Jamaican flags. Big up on yourself, pound independent. So people, Vybz Kartel blogger, one Kevin for over fish tank, from over the aquarium, one Kevin, Gaza Barracuda, Gaza Free Willy, Gaza Wheel, Gaza Hyena, run out and a defend Vybz Kartel in I'm fullest. CJ Millan did an interview where she asked for support and I tell dancehall fan base them say they must unite. Cause when Masicka win, dancehall win. And it is a good look for dancehall. One Kevin run out in a the wickedest way and a disrespect and a style CJ Millan. The man even dip up under CJ Millan wanna see under the video. And we no respect no boy we a style no woman like that. Especially a woman, a promoter like CJ Millan. We do so much for dancehall. So me go on the tea. Dancehall artists them never get certain venue. We never have certain links. Fi go in the stadium them like fi go in the arena them like Barclays. CJ Millan have the hookup with Live Nation. A Live Nation run off the stadium them, the arena them across the world. Them have the hookup. CJ Millan have the links. So no dancehall artist never get the Barclays and certain venue like that. But she have the connect where you can collab with her or she can book you and bring certain event in the arena them or the stadium. As me say, she have the hookup with Live Nation. And she use her hookup, her connection, her links for drop a show with Vybz Kartel. I want to see Vybz Kartel do back to back in the Barclays because of CJ connection. Vybz Kartel just a forward from prison. Vybz Kartel never see the United States for years. Years Vybz Kartel no see the United States of America. 13 years when there behind bars. Plus him lose him visa before that. Seeing and him never forward in the United States. CJ make sure book Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel get to create history back to back. Good look for dancehall. But Vybz Kartel never like say CJ Millan I try bring other people in the Barclays. We see where she even book Bounty Killer. And Bounty Killer go in the Barclays and bring out certain artists with him. After CJ Millan book Alkaline, Vybz Kartel nemesis, Vybz Kartel enemy, Vybz Kartel hate the youth, Vybz Kartel we are 50 and look fi turn 51 soon. A bad mind a youth where are just 32, 33. Alkaline never gone to prison fi sell out the Barclays. Enough of them people I try compare Alkaline. I say why him not do 2 night like Kartel, but Alkaline been that road. And we know say Kartel no see the United States of America for years. Kartel draw crazy fans plus him fan base decide to support him. people decide to support him. Nostalgia. Enough people not see the artist for years, so them forward for support him. The ticket sale was so overwhelming because Vybz Kartel been missing for 13 years. Plus people not see him for how long. Plus him have one of the biggest fan base in a dancehall. People run out, support him. CJ Millan have to do 2 nights. Alkaline only do 1 night. Alkaline show for the 1 night was a bigger show for the 1 night. So a member of CJ Millan crew type that Alkaline a go break the record, cause Kartel have the record. Record was meant to be broken, but Kartel do 2 show because of the turnout. Remember me say missing for years. So Alkaline only a do 1 show. People turn out like crazy. Them expand and get more space and actually move around the stage. Do what them have to do to make sure say Alkaline 1 night big. So instead of do 2 nights, cause Alkaline been out here do show. So them do 1 night and make sure them get as much people in there as possible. So if that 1 night they bigger than Kartel 1 night, that no have nothing to do with Kartel. Cause Kartel do 2 nights back to back. But Alkaline been that road. Alkaline a do what him a do. So that no mean to say it bring down the value of Kartel show. Kartel do history back to back. But Kartel no want nobody else shine in a dance hall. So Kartel them never like that somebody from CJ Millan crew put out say Alkaline show bigger. Seeing people? So remember them a do 2 show for Kartel. So them no need to pack up the place. With basketball game, the capacity about 18 to 19,000 during a basketball game. So once you put in the stage for a concert, it a go hold about 15,000. So them do what them a do, fix the stage, rotate the stage, call Live Nation, get some more space and put some more people in there. Cause Alkaline only a do 1 show, Kartel a do 2 show. So you can move people from 1 night, put over the next night. And because a 2 show you go do, that mean to say you have as much space. You don't have to pressure 1 night. But Kartel never like say CJ Millan put Alkaline in at the Barclays. The man them not happy say Alkaline go sell out the Barclays by himself. The thing with Kartel is, and the dirty thinking Gaza fans them, remember Kartel never do this before prison. Masicka no go prison, but Masicka I try sell out the Barclays. Bunty never go prison, but Bunty and him friend them sell out the Barclays. Alkaline sell out the Barclays by himself without going to prison. Alkaline and Mr. Vegas and Cape Town and Elephant Man, the whole of them per 1 show, sell out the Barclays. These people never have to go to prison. So you cannot compare people to Kartel like you expect people figure prison for do what Kartel do. Me rather do Alkaline 1 night versus do 2 nights like a Kartel and a figure prison. Jamaican people so grimy, Jamaican people so vile, and me get to understand enough of the people them we say Gaza a criminal or a family member a criminal or wanna do some crime somewhere somehow. That a man when no go prison, uno put him down for a man we commit crime and hurt crazy people fi go behind bars. The man never proved na case saying in innocent in getaway per technicality. Where Kartel a do great and Kartel a sell out crazy show. Kartel a headline some big show. And It's a good look. Him deserve it. Him put in the work. Him did put in the work. And we understand, say, missing off of the scene for years. So once a person missing, the demand I go crazy. Anything where you can just put your hand on, so I go have certain value. The less a certain things where you have, like say for example gold. If you couldn't go in anybody backyard and dig up gold, gold wouldn't so expensive. If oil did in everybody backyard, oil wouldn't expensive. If platinum and diamond and silver and copper, all of the minerals and resources here, did they everywhere, it wouldn't so expensive. See? Just like our water they everywhere. The place them where you can go to do and you see water it come like nothing. But the area them when you have water, people are going to put more value upon it. So since cartel been missing for actually 13 years, a whole heap of people never see him. A whole heap of youths grew up and I hear about him and him there prison. Enough of the youth them did a go to school, so them never get figure to show them. Now them get an opportunity to see him. Them are going to roll out and rightfully so. The man actually a sell out some show and the man a do good for himself. But that no mean to say only supposed to put down the rest of artists them for build up cartel. A whole heap of artists out here do it when cartel they behind bars. But when you put down them people there for build up cartel. When you put down Shaggy for build up cartel. When you put down Beanie Man for build up cartel. When you put down Sean Paul for build up cartel. When you put down Bunty for build up cartel. Why everybody in a dance hall where do good can't get them respect, why them can't get them true justice? If cartel are 50 and see this youth a do it, why you gonna have a problem with what CJ Millan say? If a truth, if cartel first night, cartel have 15,200. If cartel second night, he have 15,300. If Alkaline one night, him have 15,500. That mean him have 200 or 300 people more. So I'm sure a bigger show for one night. But cartel two show come together at 30,000. But only just no want to see nobody else shine. Gaza people will chop off them left hand for spite them right hand. Chop off them right hand for spite them left hand. Only no want to see nobody else out here a do it. Some people are going to say, I know cartel send him. One Kevin and Vybz cartel link. Kevin have Vybz cartel number. Vybz cartel send Kevin Crazy Lion. Vybz cartel and Kevin talk on the phone. The man a part of the team. The man a part of the crew. The man have direct link to Vybz cartel, whichever way you want put it. See, so cartel ain't done. And we know people step with our people. But we don't see cartel say nothing. And one Kevin double down and I go under the woman again. Triple down and I go under the woman. Cartel see everything we go on the internet. And why Vybz cartel never put out a disclaimer. Vybz cartel no call him. Once you don't see anybody out here this any superstar or any known figure, Vybz cartel give him the go ahead. One Kevin no say Vybz cartel and CJ Millan no good. Vybz cartel ungrateful. If I never CJ Millan, Vybz cartel wouldn't reach the Barclays. As CJ Millan have the link pan a side here. As CJ Millan a look out for the youths them at Jamaica and I bring them in a certain area, in a certain arena or stadium. Yes, we know so we artists them couldn't do it, but nobody never trust no dancehall artists like that. Them have to get links from a big promoter. Somebody will link with Live Nation. While the rapper them can get it, dancehall artists never get it like that. As some promoter, even Buju can't just go get Barclays like that. Him have to go link with a promoter. Somebody will link with Live Nation. You know, say anywhere Jamaican people go, war always a broke. Fight always a broke, and then we mash up people place. At the end idea, so we roll. So I know anybody I go give we certain venue, but CJ Millan credible, and she bring Vybz Kartel in at the Barclays and make people see Kartel and see how Kartel show them a sellout, and Kartel start get crazy bookings from Deso. The lady make Kartel name a piece of food same way, and she eat a piece of food. So if Kartel too expensive, what she a go do? And at the end of the day, she still have to try with other artists. We see Alkaline out there with a fan base and mechanize, and she give Alkaline a chance. And she give Elephant Man, she give Vegas. Seeing, she give Capitan, she give Bounty. Seeing, and we see she did one do a thing at Jamaica with Movado. We see she have a show in Atlanta with Movado Pani. She even a link with Spice. So once Kartel show go on good, she say Alkaline have the next biggest fan base. Alkaline show go on good, she say Masicka make some nice with slip and slide. She a go book Masicka. Spice probably the panelist too and the besties. Shensia the panelist same way. But at the end of the day, the Kartel allow this youth a disrespect the woman. The woman probably not go work with certain artists, and this is why you can't help black people, you can't help Jamaican. Some people are gonna say Kartel no need her. Kartel do need promoter, cause Kartel don't have her own, him own a show. Pause can be a shaky. Kartel no have him own a show. So Kartel have to work with promoter. And we see Kartel and people always a fall out. Everybody will try help him or link with him. Him and them fall out somewhere, somehow. But for a man, we are 50-year-old. We have kids. We have family. Where he can't tell the people and we link with him say, Bill, what no I do? It's not a good look for Gaza. It's not a good look for Kartel. It's not a good look for the brand. But we know Kartel are done same way. Remember him allegedly dirt man over shoes. And we see him tell a girl the other day on the internet figure suck their mother. So if Kartel, who is the leader and the shepherd of Gaza, out here a behave so, how do you think the sheep them are go act? This is a promoter now, big woman now, with family, and one Kevin go under the woman. Tell the woman to go play with her dildo. Tell the woman to go slip or slide in her own hole. That a disrespect. And that's why I say enough degenerate in a Gaza, enough criminal, say Gaza, enough people in a Gaza, uneducated, them not intelligent, them not have critical thinking, them not think logical, them disrespect Kartel, them disrespect everybody for Kartel. Man with woman and picking, them not defend them kids so, them not defend them friends so, them not defend them family members so. Some of them out here defend Kartel every day upon the internet and not even get a paycheck. Some of them out here do it for lion. But at the end of the day, I want dancehall. Kartel alone can't do it. Kartel alone can't carry dancehall. But Gaza fans only want to see Kartel alone and win a Grammy and get mobile. Them only want to see Kartel wanna strive. Every other dancehall artist for suffer, or every other dancehall artist for put them career a Vybz Kartel foot. One Kevin out here, the scum of the earth. That you, they always there in a care. And not like we, where you no can see so we there in our house. We are live good. We are live Gucci. We are live like Balenciaga. We are live good. Boy, they in a car every day like him no live nowhere. Them so repo the bumper clad car there with you in a hit. People, tell me what you think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Who no agree with me, chuck off, I'm out.